Let's test this baby. So today I have for you, as you can see, Renault MEGANE RS. This is third generation of Renault MEGANE. Of course, well-known car, 2-liter powered by 2-liter turbo engine, F4RT, so-called fart. Very good power plant. I will show you that one in a minute. So this car is from 2014. So this is a lift version of, as I said, third generation. Right now you can see that one. This is my friend's car. You can see it has winter tires. So 18 inches wheels, alloys, of course. Normally he drives on 19s, so original RS wheels. He has some aftermarket wheels. I will show you that one. Also, I have some recordings of this one available on my drive, so I will add to this review. So yeah. Globally, the car is stock, except the power. As you can see, stock brakes, new set of the brakes, Brembo, discs and calipers, so something pretty standard. Yeah, I believe this car, gets old pretty well. It has already 11 years, so time is passing very quickly, but as you can see, it looks pretty well. What's more, this particular car has modified exhaust, so we have an additional pipe with exhaust valve, so it can be either a bit louder or a bit quieter. I would say most of the time it's louder. Therefore, I have my microphone on so that you can hear me well, especially inside the car. Okay, so let's maybe see the interior. So, yeah, very big doors, sheet, because this is 3-door car. So. What I really like about those cars is RS monitor system. It's on the screen. I will show you this one during the drive. So yeah, as you can see here, 5-place car. So you can find some place here, maybe not a lot of it. Very nice. Belt system, red one, red stripes, so very nice. I would say touch of the interior, which matches to the dashboard and globally to the steering wheel. So this is kind of black, some, let's say, fake, however, carbon fiber details and so on. So it looks really well, I would say. Okay, so maybe let's check the engine. This is quite maybe important for this hot hatch. I open it. Yeah, I can. Okay, so this is fart engine. Interesting fact, this F stands for fonte, so from French, which means from French cast iron. So this is old school French manufactured and designed 4-inline cylinder petrol turbocharged engine. Very, very reliable, very good power plant, as I said before. So what has been modified particularly about this exact car? So as you can see, there is something here. So this is a blow off changed, so it's loud. So during our ride, you will hear, of course, the sound. So it gives us, you know, a bit more maybe sporty feelings and you know, additional emotions coming from the engine. So what's more, this particular car has I believe original engine, but it has been modified, it has been chip tuned, so it has around 300 horsepower right now. Original used to have 250, but this one has central unit from trophy version. So it used to have 275, and right now it has, yeah, more or less 300, I think, maybe a bit more than 300 horsepower. Yeah. So as I said, very good power plant, very good engine, very reliable. Normally the only issue is that it burns a lot of fuel. But of course turbo lives, turbo drinks, so this is pretty normal. Okay, so I believe we can close the hood and we can maybe take a drive. So yeah, let's maybe enter the car, take a look at it once more. How does it look like? I love the black color. I really like the interior. I added here especially additional microphone so that you will hear what's going on behind the car. And really, believe me, a lot of happens behind the car. Okay, maybe I can show you the hood. Okay, this is how it looks. So I would say kind of average size trunk. Sorry, not hood, but trunk. Yeah, something really average. Standard tool for a Renault Megane driver. Okay. Electric is not very good, you know. so one of the weak points of the car. Okay, so again, microphone on, and we can get in the car. Let's hop in to this car. Nice. Okay. Oh, you need some long hands, really, for the buckles, for the belts. Okay. I didn't press the clutch. So we are inside. I'm inside. So take a look with me. How does it look like? I think it gets old pretty well globally. After those over 10 years, this design looks nice. So what I really love and adore, somebody's calling, sorry. So what I really love and adore about all Megane RS, but especially the third and fourth generation, because they have, wide screens and so on. You can see the parameters. It's very nice. You have RS monitor. Oh, and this is great. This is something I really love about those cars. Come on, can you see? So normally what you have here is accelerometer, so you can track what's going on with the acceleration, what G's you are generating in the cornering or accelerating. You can see torque, you can see percentage of the traction slip. What the hell, wheel spin? This is something I really like. So as you can see, if you add some power, this is great. This is really nice to see where you are with the torque and power, especially on the track. Yeah, street angle. Yeah, some logger, data logger, some stopwatch. This is great. What's more? Maintenance. Okay. Okay, and that's it. And oil temperature, coolant temperature. Yeah, this is great. Gauges. Intake temperature, turbo pressure. Oh, this is nice. So really the best. This my favorites bar graph, like bar graphs all at once. We can see, we can check out all the parameters. This is very well. So okay, I think we can start. I know that if I press RS mode a bit longer, exactly this is what's going on. I activated the sport mode, so we are, you know, in the sportiest version of this car right now, at least according to the computer. Whoa! This is what's going on about this car. Yeah, you will hear in the post-production for sure. I will add the sound behind this car. Okay, so what I can tell you from the beginning is that Renault Sport as a division, they knew what they were doing at the time, because the handling is very, very good. Okay, let's test this baby. Fuck. Okay, this is a fast car, guys. This is something fast, we can say. Okay, this is a fast car. Okay, this is really fast. Very nice. Okay, so I can tell you already that 300 horsepower is really enough for front wheel drive. So I missed to tell you that this is 6-speed manual gearbox. It's not that loud really at high speeds, yeah? But it has a lot of power. Okay, so let's maybe try this one once more. There is some traffic today, so we have a Saturday. Okay. Yeah, okay. It really likes to rev. Okay, nice. Yeah, so come on, guys. It's really like, it's enough. It's enough horsepower for only two wheels, putting all of it to the tarmac. It's really enough. So in my opinion, those seats, like I believe these are kind of half bucket seats, are very comfy. This is, yeah, I feel like home here. So it feels like home. So really, it's so nice. What about the brakes? Yeah, they could have been slightly better, maybe. Oh, it loves to rev, come on. It's very nice. This is proper hot catch. And can you see this one? This is something I love. I can just check all of the parameters every second. I have a, you know, just quick look and I see what's going on with the engine, what's going with the gearbox. Okay, what's the, you know, turbine condition and so on. This is really great. Okay. What can I add here? I feel very well in this car. This is especially the handling is great. So as I said before, the Renault Sport division, they know what they do, and they knew what they did. So the steering is not very light, however quite direct. And this is not a trophy version, so I believe, it's even better in trophy edition. Nice. So and also the blow off, can you hear every time? This feels sporty. Yeah, this is a pure nature of this car. It's supposed to be kind of raw, kind of sporty, kind of, not like a new car with double clutch gearbox and a lot of fancy electronic stuff. This is very natural, I would say. Direct, natural, raw. It's kind of pure power going to the wheels, especially now when the traction control is off. Nice. Great feeling, really. I love it. Okay. Yeah. Okay, these are winter tires. So, but again, come on, it's glued. Fuck, it's really glued. It's glued to the road, and it's very predictable at the end of the day, because I felt some slip, I lost the traction for a minute, but nevertheless, wheel spin, come on, it's too much, it's too powerful. It's like, remember guys, 300 horsepower for front wheel drive, it's really enough. Let's go back and check it again. Okay guys, yeah, come on, it's like welded to the tarmac. Nice, really, come on guys. I love those orange-red stripes going to the end of the scale. This is really, come on, this is great. This is something great. Really. So I would say so far there's only one kind of a weak point I could maybe complain at. So these are brakes. So stock brakes are, maybe really suitable for 250 horsepower car, at least in my opinion. But when you have 300 horsepower, some tuned, central unit and most probably much more torque available all the time, then I believe, guys, really maybe improving the brake system is a good idea. I love it. So this is a hot hatch, guys. This is a real pure hot hatch. Of course, the best test is to get this machine on the track, and yeah, this is obvious. Unfortunately, I cannot do it. However, we all know that these are track weapons. I can just confirm the handling experience and the suspension setup is just great. It's rigid enough, but from the other side, I can feel some comfort. It's not terrible. I think this is mostly because of those winter tires, not summer setup with 19-inch wheels, but anyway. Does it like to? Yeah, of course it loves. Yeah, of course. Yeah. Just enjoy and kind of, I don't know, I think this is not a hard cut. It's like, it's something between soft cut and I would say hard cut, but it's very, I would say it feels very good. So it stops you, but you know, it doesn't ruin your head or your valves with this cross-secting, misfiring and so on. This is, I think this is healthy for the engine, but it gives you this nice feeling. Whoa, this is nice. Wheel spin, guys. This is just wheel spin. So guys, thank you very much for today, and yeah, I hope you enjoyed, and see you in the next review from LSF, a POV review. Yeah, I wish you all the best and take care. Bye bye.